Hey everyone, in this ClickUp walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture and make your workspace look a little more personalized. It's a super simple process, but I'll go through it slowly so you can follow along without missing anything. So, first things first, open your browser and head over to clickup.com. Click on the login button at the top right and sign in using your email and password. If you're using Google Login or another option, that works too. After a second or two, your main ClickUp dashboard should load up. Now, once you're inside, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your avatar there. If you've never added a picture before, it'll just show your initials. Go ahead and click on that little icon. A small menu opens up, and from here, you want to choose Profile Settings. This is basically the place where ClickUp keeps all your personal info like your name, time zone, notifications, and of course, your profile photo. Inside the profile settings page, you'll see your current picture right at the top. Just click on the Upload Photo button. And now, select the image you want from your computer. This could be a professional headshot, a casual picture, or even a logo if you're using ClickUp for business or client work. The file uploads pretty quickly, usually within a second, depending on your internet. After the image loads, ClickUp will show you a small editing window. You can crop, drag, zoom in, zoom out. Just adjust it until you're happy with how it sits in the circle. Take a moment here, make sure your face or your logo is centered nicely. When you're done, click the Save or Apply button. Give it a moment and boom, your new profile picture is updated instantly across your entire workspace. Anywhere your avatar appears, it'll now show this updated image. It's a small thing, but it helps your workspace feel a bit more personal and organized. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do to change your profile picture in ClickUp. Super quick, super clean. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe for more ClickUp tips and guides.